On the basis of use, basal medium. Okay, very good. It is basal medium, simple medium, or general purpose medium. Anyone you can write on the basis of use. Right? What is this medium? Blood agar. And from which the blood is drawn? Sheep blood. Okay. How much percent blood you can use? 5 to 10%. Okay. What is this type of medium on the basis of use? Enriched or selective or differential? Somebody said how? Can you justify this differential medium? So on the basis of hemolytic reaction, you can differentiate between the organisms. Okay. And like this medium we are placing, interpreted your result, observation. We have to check for, there will be colony will be there. Interpreted your observation. You have to write either, if you see beta hemolysis, then you have to write beta hemolytic colony is seen. If greenish discoloration, then alpha hemolytic colony is seen. If no hemolysis, then gamma hemolytic colony is seen. Okay, what is this? Yes, but ke cha hemolysis sir? Ramrai दिएर त? There is beta hemolysis. Look here, there is some whitish spot. So it is beta hemolytic. It is enriched at differential medium. Tell me some organism that give alpha hemolysis. Pneumonia. Okay. Other? Green किन ग्रीनिश भएकोलाई के भन्छ?
गामा
एउटा नाम दिएको छ नि त्यो ग्रुप अफ ब्याक्टेरियालाई. द्याट विल बी ग्रीनिश. ग्रुप डी स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस के हो? नर्मल फ्लोरा अफ माउथ. Viridans. Viridans means green. So is it Viridans, Streptococcus and Streptococcus pyogenes. अब तिमीले इन्टरप्रिटेड और अब्जर्भेसन दिए भनेपछि हेमोलाइटिक रिएक्सन आधारमा लेख अनि दुईटा एक्जाम्पल चाहिँ दिन पर्छ. ओके. देन बीटा हेमोलाइटिक टु अर्गानिजम. बीटा हेमोलाइटिक E. coli also, but some of strains only. Streptococcus pyogenes. Orgo? Staphylococcus aureus. And gamma hemolytic to organisms. No hemolysis in an organism. Enterococcus fecalis. और ब्याक्टेरिया भनौँ नन हेमोलाइटिक. दुईटा हेमोलाइटिक भन्यो, अरू सबै नन हेमोलाइटिक त हुन्छ. भिब्रियो कोलेरी. बट भिब्रियो कोलेरी नलेखा, त्यो दिन सक्छ. क्लासिकल र एल्टरमा डिभाइड गरेको छ. कमन भन न, इकोलाई भएन, अरू बाहेक इकोलाई बाहेक क्लेप्सेला. ओके. साल्मोनेला, सिजेला, अल आर नन हेमोलाइटिक अर्गानिजम्स. What is this medium? Chocolate agar. Okay. Name two organisms requiring this type of medium. Haemophilus, influenzae, or what? Neisseria, cholera, or meningitis. Okay. What are the two nutrient factors released in this present in this medium? NAD. Yux and Yux stand for hematine. NAD is factor. That is amine. Amine and X is amine and what type of medium it is? Enriched medium. Okay. What is this medium? McConkey. And what type of colony is it? Interpreted your lactose fermenting colony is seen. Give two examples of lactose fermenting. And non-lactose fermenting? And what type of medium it is? Selective and differential medium. Sometimes mention the selective agent present in this medium also.
Differential.
Lactose is carbohydrate. How can it be selective? What is the selective substance? Neutral red is the indicator used in this medium. Selective substance what? Bile salts is the selective substance used in this medium. That is sodium taurocholate. And indicator is the neutral red is the indicator. अब यो टाइप अफ कोलोनी दियो भने के आउँछ कसरी इन्टरप्रिटेट गर्छ नन ल्याक्टोज फर्मेन्टिङ कोलोनी सीन यु हैव टु राइट ओके व्हाट इज दिस मीडियम clade agar what is the full form of clade what is it basically used for clade medium okay for culture of uropathogens or urine culture you are using clade medium what type of medium is clade
Selective.
no it is selective it is differential medium and it is non selective so it has advantage over McConkey McConkey नत्र हामीले युज गरिहाल्छ युरिनको लागि what is the indicator used के indicator युज गर्नु ह पहिलाको ब्याचले सबै भनेको थिए मैले भन्नै परेको थिएन तिमीहरू किन यस्तो साह्रै खोज्छौ What is the indicator? That is bromo, thymol, blue is the indicator used. अब यस्तो टाइप अफ कोलोनी आयो भने के भन्ने इन्टरप्रिटेटिभ रिजल्टिभ प्लेट दिएर मैले भन्यो भने यो डिफरेन्शियल भनिसक्यो अब के हो त यो डिफरेन्शियल मिडियम तिमीहरूले भन्यो होइन यसमा कहाँबाट युरिया जायो हो जे मनलाई त्यही बोल्दा हुन्छ नन ल्याक्टोज फर्मेन्टिङ कोलोनी सिन ग्रीन कलर आछ चेन्जै भएको छैन मिडियमको कलर सो इट इज नन ल्याक्टोज फर्मेन्टिङ डिफरेन्शियल भनिसक्यो यु आर युजिङ ल्याक्टोज then non-lactose fermenting colony is seen. If red color is seen in this medium, colony color is red, then lactose fermenting colony is seen. You have to write in the observation section. What is this? Muller ethyl agar. What is it? This taste? What by what method you are doing this? Curie power diffusion method. Name any other methods? Stokes diffusion method. Other? अरू कुन मेथडबाट गर्न सकिन्छ? Dilution method. That can be either agar dilution or broth dilution method. So what is this medium? Bread infusion broth. Name of this bottle? McCartney's bottle. Okay. So what are the indication of blood culture? CBS portion बाट मैले delete गरेँ. What is it used for? Casting in the biphasicity another medium. This is PSI growth we have already. Fungal culture and BHI use गर्ने, PSTA use गर्ने. BHI growth किन use गर्छ ल्याबमा? एनएलपी कल्चरलाई थाहाको लागि रोबर्टसन कुक मिडियम अनि के को लागि गर्ने त?
Sample organism comes from
Okay, for enrichment of the various sample like के कल्चर गर्नु हुन्छ? ब्लड कल्चर. अदरवाइज अब अरु ग्रोथ छ भने ग्रोथ मिडियम इनरिचमेन्ट इट इज इनरिचमेन्ट मिडियम हैन. साल्मोनेला कुन इनरिचमेन्ट मिडियम युज गर्छ? That is solid medium enrichment I am asking. Salmonella पढायो होला नि? That is selective medium. Tetrahydride broth or salmonella? Selenite या broth also you can use tetrahydride broth or selenite या broth. नाम थाहा? अब how will you detect growth in this such type of medium?
turbidity
By looking turbidity or surface pedicle. Okay. What is this medium? Urea. This is STA. Look at the size of tube. It is bigger. So it is STA. What is it used for? Fungal culture. Name any other medium used instead of this medium. Corn meal agar, other potato, dextrose agar, PDA.
corn meal agar.
Biochemical. उतातिर छ biochemical पनि भयो. पछाडि हेर त ट्युबर होला. What is this medium? Look at this medium. There is only bot only. Full medium होगा there. Sin medium. Okay, there is only bot in sin medium. So what does SIM stand for? भन कसले भनिरहेको थियो? Sulfide indole motility medium. So name only indicates three characteristics you are seeing in this medium. Right? First character is the indole production हामीले पहिला हेर्छौं. Indole produce गरेको छ कि छैन. Second is the S2S production. And other is the motility, whether the organism is motile or not, we are checking this medium. So if red color is seen on the top, यो चाहिँ धेरै दिन राखेर डिफ्युज भएको छ, त्यो माथिको केमिकल सबै डिफ्युज भएर यस्तो भयो. रेड कलर यसको माथि चाहिँ रेड कलर रिङ हुन्छ. इज फर्म देन इट इन्डिकेट्स इन्डोल इज पोजिटिभ. यो ट्युब दिएर मैले तिमीलाई सोध्न सक्छु. अ बायोकेमिकल टेस्ट मिडियम इज प्रोभाइडेड टु यु. आइडेन्टिफाई यु हैव टु राइट SIM medium sulfide indole full form में लेख्न पर्छ. And interpreted your observation or result. Then by looking this red color, then indole positive. Indole test positive. Then what about sulfide? Huh? Intake लेख्न पर्छ, whether negative also you have to do. So S2S negative. Then motility. Motility मा हेर्ने कसरी हो? यसमा हेर त। यसको स्टिकिङको लाइनको वरिपरि अलिअलि क्लाउडीनेस जस्तो हुन्छ। स्टिक गरेको त्यो लाइन भन्दा बाहिरतिर यसरी अलिअलि क्लाउडी देखिन्छ त्यसको वरिपरि। That means organism is motile. If the growth is only on the line of stab, जुन लाइनमा हामीले स्ट्याबिङ गरेका छौँ त्यो लाइनमा मात्र ग्रोथ आयो भने अर्गानिजम नन मोटाइल भनेर तीनटा क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक लेख्न पर्छ है त। अनि इन्डोल पोजिटिभ अर्गानिजम दुईटाको नाम भन त। साल्मोनेला ओके, इकोलाई ओके, भेरी गुड। साल्मोनेला इकोलाई है त। सकिन्छ नि। ब्ल्याक कलर आयो भने बट रिजन ब्ल्याक कलर देखेर S2S पोजिटिभ अदरवाइज नेगेटिभ तीनटै लेख्न पर्छ सम्झिने। All three characteristics you have to write. What is this medium? Citrate, Simmons, citrate, agar. SIMMONS, Simmons, citrate, agar. Okay. Original color is green. दुईटै ट्युब राखिदिन्छु मैले तिमीलाई चिन्न सजिलो होस् भनेर। But you have to interpret it with this positive, and then when it becomes positive, it will give blue color. So name of the test के होला त? Medium को नाम त Simmons citrate agar हो। Citrate के utilization test. Name of the test is citrate utilization test. Okay. अब interpreted or result भनेर सोधिन्छ। Result interpreted गर। तलकै भन्ने हो, दुईटा ट्युब दिएको छन्, always go for this. Citrate test is positive, otherwise citrate is utilized भनेर लेख्न पर्यो। अब यसमा नि कलर चेन्ज भइरहेछ हैन? There must be some pH indicator. What is the pH indicator? कसले भन्यो? Who said? भनिरहेको थियो एकजनाले। कसले भन्यो हो? से Bromo what? Bromothymol blue is the pH indicator. Name of the two organisms that will give this test positive. Klebsiella. Okay, very good. अर्को? C बाटै आउँछ नि। Citrobacters. It will give always positive. Citrobacter and Klebsiella. Okay. What is this? Medium? There is slant only. There is no any bot. Original color is colorless. When positive, it gives pink color. So this is urea agar or Christensen's urea agar. Full form देखा है. CHRISTENSENS. Christensen's urea agar. And name of the test? Urease test. Okay, very good. अब interpreted your result? Urease positive. अब यसमा नि कलर चेन्ज भइरहेछ। What is the indicator? अर्को के रेड हुन्छ? मिथाइल रेड होइन। फिनोल रेड इज द इंडिकेटर. मिथाइल रेड इज द reagent हो, त्यो इंडिकेटर चाहिँ। So phenol red is the indicator used. Name two organisms which will give this test positive. Proteus. H. pylori. Okay. Klebsiella also positive. Now last but not the least is the this is PSI. How will you identify it? Both bot and slant. Whether some have only bot, whereas some have only slant. But this is the medium, it has both slant and bot. So this is triple sugar iron agar. Name of the test? Iron test. PSI test, triple sugar iron test. Okay. Above, it has already said triple sugar iron agar test. What are the three sugar used? Maltose, dextrose, or sucrose. Okay. These are the most common sugars. I mean, daily use गर्ने sugars. Glucose, lactose, and sucrose. What are the concentration? Concentration हुन्छ नि त 1:10:10 is the concentration. Glucose is in 1%, whereas sucrose and lactose are in 10%. Okay. अब यसमा नि कलर चेन्ज भइरहेछ हैन. Original color is light slightly orange in color. When it becomes in this it is yellowish in color. So there must be a pH indicator. What is the pH indicator? One. के रेड है? Phenol red is the indicator used in this also. Although sometimes they can ask you mention the three characteristics we can study in this medium. So first characteristic is the sugar fermentation reaction you can detect. Other is the H2S production. And third one is the gas production. Okay. Above this tube, if I give you interpreted your result. Yes, a slide the one. Yellow by yellow means yellow alkaline acid by acid means all three sugar that indicates all three sugars are fermented. It has fermented glucose and lactose and sucrose both. है ना? और तो characteristic के हेर्न मिल्छ यसमा H2S. Is there any H2S?
No, that would be
So you have to write H2S negative. Then also gas. Is there a
cracks.
gas?
No cracks.
Yes or no?
No cracking.
हेर त राम्रो टिप्ला हेर.
Crack.
There is gas is there. So there is gas positive you have to write. अब तिमीलाई सोध्ने भनेको एसिड बाइ एसिड दिने अर्गानिजम भन्ने भन. That means lactose also fermenting organism. E. coli. Glucose is utilized by each and every organism except the non-fermenters. So, and other sugar is the lactose and sucrose. So, lactose utilizing organism, what might be? E. coli and Klebsiella. Sucrose utilizing organism एउटा छ कुन हो? Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae will also give like this type of reaction. Okay. Otherwise, in your test, it can come here slant will be red, here bot will be yellow. What does that indicate? Alkaline by acid means interpreted by alkaline by acid आउनु त के सिग्निफाई गर्यो? यसमा yellow by yellow आयो भने all sugar fermented भन्यो. Only glucose is utilized भनेर बुझिन्छ. Name some organism that will utilize glucose only. Salmonella, okay, very good. Or Shigella, okay, very good. Alkali by acid reaction दिने चाहिँ Salmonella and Shigella. And sometimes what happens? Here slant will be red, there will be no change. Bot will be like this only. That means alkaline by no change. Otherwise alkaline by alkaline पनि आउन सक्छ. What does that indicate? None of the sugars has been utilized. Red by no change आयो भने none of the sugar has been utilized. Okay? And this अरु reaction अरु utilize भन. H2S positive gas. Gas is also positive. Very good. अब none of the sugar utilized non-fermenter example भन त. Non-fermenting aerobic organism पढा होला. It is the most common antibiotic resistant organism. Pseudomonas aeruginosa gives the like that type of reaction. So this is the biochemical portion. And now in serology portion we can place you ASO गरा छ. ASO kit हामीले प्लेस गरिदिन्छ. लेखेकै हुन्छ ASO. अब सोध्छ what is the disease for which this test is done? Rheumatic heart disease or rheumatic fever. Mention its positive value.
Zone of inhibition.
Zone of inhibition. Let ASO को सम्झौँ. Principle of the test के हो ASO को? Antigen antibody, that is basic, but antigen antibody reaction are different type of divide गरेको छ नि. प्लेटमा agglutination test. It is the basic principle is latex agglutination test. Practical file हेर्दैनौ. आफ्नो practical file कति हुन्छ यसो टेस्ट पोजिटिभ? पोजिटिभ भ्यालु कति हुन्छ? What is the positive value? तिम्रो कसरी डक्टर बन्छ हो? केही बोल्दैनौ, केही गर्दैनौ. तिम्रो भन्दा त अगाडिको बी सेक्सनै राम्रो हुन्छ. They are very forward than you. That is greater than 200 IU per ml is the positive limit. Now sometimes I will place उतातिर छ हेर त के किटहरु छ. Okay, like this, a serological kit is provided to you. Identify the name of the disease for which this test is done. This is HepaCard. So what is the disease? It is the hepatitis B. Okay, and mention the antigen detected in this test. HBsAg, full form you have to write. HBsAg you have to write. Okay, interpret your result.
More than 200 positive.
देखिरहेछ ब्यान्ड देखाछ रातो देखाछ नि. Here is two bands are found. One is in C, other is in T, red band. Interpreted it.
Positive.
So you have to write the given serum sample is positive for HBsAg. And if there is only one line in C, then how will you interpret it?
Negative.
The given test is negative for HBsAg. If there is only line in T, red band is found in T and no band in C, how will you interpret it? Huh? The test is invalid. C मा चाहिँ आउने पर्छ, नेगेटिभ भयो नि C मा चाहिँ अलरेडी हामीले कोटेड गरिसकेका हुन्छ त्यसमा. सीमा एन्टिजेन पहिले कोड भएको हुन्छ ओके अनि सेरोलोजिकल मार्कर्सहरु सबै पढेर आउने HBsAg को हेपाटाइटिस को सो दिस इज try.hiv kit यो दियो भने try.hiv kit okay and here there are three you can पछि हेर यसमा HIV1 HIV2 अनि control छ so here the two dots are found one in control and one is in HIV1 how is interpreted positive for HIV1 okay mention the basic principle of this test भनेर के principle of this गरेको छ that is antigen antibody reaction antigen divide गरेको छ नि these tests are based on immunochromatographic test immunochromatographic principle भनेको यसको नर्को दुईटैको बेसिक चाहिँ immunochromatographic टेस्ट हो अनि यो एचआईभी मा के डिटेक्ट गर्ने सधैँ सोधिन्छ व्हाट इज डिटेक्टेड इन दिस टेस्ट
P24
एन्टिजन कि एन्टिबडी
एन्टी
ह
सुरुमा एन्टिजन देखिन्छ
ह
एन्टिजन
स्योर
एन्टिबडी टेस्ट गरिन्छ भिडियो पेडमा चाहिँ देखिँदैन त्यही भएर देखिँदैन
so in this test only antibody were detecting in this antigen hepa card मा HBsAg डिटेक्ट गर्ने हो यसमा चाहिँ एन्टिबडी डिटेक्ट गर्ने हो and main any other confirmatory test for the disease भनेर सोधिन्छ वेस्टर्न ब्लड अर्को
एलिजा
एलाइजा अर्को चाहिँ यो राख्न सक्छ
एलिजा
दिस इज एउटालाई वेल भन्ने हो यो एउटा यसलाई देयर इज एलाइजा प्लेट एउटालाई हेर्यो भने एउटा त्यसको पार्टलाई हेर्यो भने एउटालाई वेल भन्ने हो दिस इज एलाइजा प्लेट अब व्हाट इज एलाइजा प्लेट लेख्यो हैन है मेंशन द various types of the test yeah that means mention the various types of ELISA भनेको सोध्या हो के हुन्छ ELISA को टाइपहरु स्यान्डविच डबल स्यान्डविच चाहिँ छैन स्यान्डविच चाहिँ छ डबल बर्गर जस्तो हुँदैन डबल लेयर बर्गर that is not only one is sandwich format other is किन ELISA त इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो नि तिम्रो सर्ट नोटमा नि सोध्छ त डाइरेक्ट ओके डाइरेक्ट इनडाइरेक्ट एन्ड स्यान्डविच आर द थ्री मोस्ट कमन फर्मेट अफ ELISA एन्टिजेन डिटेक्ट गर्न छ भने कुन ELISA युज गर्ने डाइरेक्टमा एन्टिजेन एन्टिबडी दुटै मिल्छ तर नन स्पेसिफिक त्यति सेन्सिटिभिटी हुँदैन त्यो टेस्टको त्यही भएर यिनीहरू डेभलप गरायो मलाई HBsAg डिटेक्ट गर्न छ हैन अब कुन टेस्ट मैले गर्ने डाइरेक्ट गर्ने कि डाइरेक्ट छोड्यो स्यान्डविच गर्ने कि इनडाइरेक्ट गर्ने फर एन्टिजेन डिटेक्सन यु आर डुइङ स्यान्डविच तल माथि दुईटै एन्टिबडी हुन्छ बिचमा तिम्रो एन्टिजेन HBsAg ट्र्याप भएको हुन्छ फर एन्टिबडी डिटेक्सन यु आर अलवेज डुइङ इनडाइरेक्ट एन्टिजेन इज एट लोअर एन्टिबडी एन्ड अगेन एन्टिह्युमन एन्टिबडी हुन्छ है त सो दिस इट कम्प्लिट द अल द स्पोर्टर पोर्सन एन्ड अदर मेमोरी वान एउटा आधा ग्रुप गएर सुरुमा त्यो हेरेर दुईटा त्यहाँ प्यारासाइट फोकस छ माइक्रोस्कोप अर्को खोइ त दिदी सिधा दिदीलाई भनेर ल्याउनु एउटाको त कामै नगर्ने माइक्रोस्कोप एउटा EH र EH होइन EH राख्नु एसकारिस र एच राख्नु फर्स्ट गो एन्ड अब्जर्भ द प्यारासाइट्स दुईटा फोकस छ दुईटा माइक्रोस्कोपमा फोकस छ एउटाको फोकस कामै गर्दैन त